Wondering where your save files are for My Winter Car on AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, launch My Winter Car and create at least one save. This ensures the game sets up the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their saves locally. Your progress in My Winter Car is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you where the save files for My Winter Car are located. These paths only apply to games from AnkerGames. Other sources may use different locations. You can back up your My Winter Car saves by copying the folder. Save it on a USB or cloud drive and restore it anytime. That's it. Your My Winter Car saves are local, secure, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips to get the most out of your games.